Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to turn your Shopify store into a booking machine for appointments, consultations, or services? In this video, I will walk you through how to set up a full appointment booking system on Shopify. Step by step, no coding needed. Why use Shopify for bookings? Shopify isn't just for products. With the right tools, you can accept appointments, schedule events, and manage calendars. Perfect for service based businesses like salons, trainers, consultants, or tutors. First of all, go to your Shopify admin dashboard, then head over to App section, then click App and Sell Channel Settings. Now, from the right side of the screen, click Shopify App Store. Search for trusted booking apps like Sesame, Sesame, Sesame Booking app or Appointly, 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 Appointment Booking app, then Booked Up. Here it is. Just click install. For this tutorial, I will use Sesame Booking apps. Click install. A top-rated booking app with a free plan, easy setup. Now click install, approve the permissions, and you will land on the setup screen. Now set up your services, like click add service and fill in the details. Just look like that. Just select the product, then click add. Enter name, duration, price, availability. You can also assign a team member or service provider to each service. To make your service bookable, link it to a product in your store. Click integrate with product. Go to Sesame App Store. Then click I am done. Remove the old integration. Then click book now. And click book now again. Set the date and follow the process. You can add your first team member from this section. Just click add your first team member, name your member, give it a name of your member, then email address, mobile number, bio, availability, and you can also add your team member's photo from here. Once linked, your product page will now show a calendar and a time picker where customers can book a session. Go back to your app section. Now go to the Sesame settings and choose how your booking widgets look. You can customize colors, button text, time zone, buffer times between appointments. Make sure to enable email confirmations so customers get automatic reminders. Open your product page and open your product page as a customer and try a test booking. Let's go to online store, then go to view your store section, scroll down and choose a product, select a time slot, add it to cart, and complete checkout like any normal order. You will see the appointment appear in your Sesame dashboard, and the customer gets an email with all the details. Click Manage. You can add location from here, description, buffer time, then click Save. To view your appointments, go to Appointments tab inside the Sesame dashboard. Find the Appointments tab from here. You can view by date, filter by staff, and even sync with Google Calendar for real updates. Some apps let you reschedule, cancel, or even host Zoom calls directly from Shopify. And that's how you set up a complete appointment booking system on Shopify in 2025. Perfect for any service-based business looking to automate bookings and save time. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions, or if you want a deep dive on paid features. You can also test other apps like Appointly, Booked Up, Tipo Appointment Booking. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.